Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into this video on mastering code reviews and quality standards. Ever wondered why some teams consistently ship high-quality software while others struggle with bugs and technical debt? The secret often lies in their code review process. Whether you are a student transitioning to industry or a professional developer looking to level up your team's game, this video will transform how you think about code quality. In the next few minutes, you will understand the essential practices that separate average development teams from great ones. You will learn the art of constructive code reviews, discover what definition of done really means in professional settings, and master the delicate balance between maintaining code quality and team morale. Welcome to another lecture from the Programming Professor. Our journey starts with an overview of the presentation. First, we will discuss the importance of code quality standards, emphasizing why they are foundational for maintaining clean, maintainable code bases. Next, we will explore how to implement an effective definition of done, which acts as a checklist to ensure quality at every stage. Then, we will dive into the art of constructive code reviews, highlighting best practices and common pitfalls. Finally, we will examine how providing thoughtful feedback can foster collaboration and strengthen your team. Why do code reviews matter? It's important to understand the stark contrast between academic programming and real-world software development. In an academic setting, you submit your code, receive a grade, and often never revisit it. In the real world, code evolves. It lives on and must be maintained, improved, and scaled. Without regular reviews, technical debt builds up, creating long-term problems. Additionally, code reviews are essential for team collaboration. They serve as a quality control process that ensures everyone contributes to a cohesive and maintainable codebase. The definition of done, or DoD, is more than a list, it's a guarantee of quality. At its core, a task is not complete unless the code builds successfully, all tests pass, and the team's style guide is followed, but it does not stop there. The DoD includes verifying task completion, meeting acceptance criteria, and ensuring no known bugs remain. Equally important, documentation should be updated to reflect changes. Adhering to a robust DoD minimizes ambiguity and helps align the team on what done truly means. Let's discuss best practices for code reviews. These principles ensure reviews are effective and constructive. Start with automated checks to catch basic issues before the review. Review code as soon as possible to avoid delays in progress. When disagreements arise, the style guide should act as the neutral arbitrator. Begin your review with high-level feedback, like architectural concerns, before diving into details. Always use constructive language to maintain a positive tone and foster collaboration. For example, instead of simply pointing out an issue, suggest an alternative approach. Focus on the code itself, rather than making it personal about the coder. Effective review comments can make or break the review process. Avoid comments that are vague, judgmental, or overly critical. Instead of saying, "You wrote inefficient code," explain the problem with, "This section could be optimized for better performance." Replace demands like, "Fix this immediately," with collaborative suggestions, such as, "Consider refactoring this part for clarity." When discussing variable names, avoid saying, "Your variable names are wrong," and instead offer constructive advice, like, "These variables could be more descriptive to improve readability." Using the right tools is critical for successful reviews. Linters automatically enforce style checks, ensuring your code follows agreed-upon conventions. CI/CD pipelines automate building and testing, catching issues early. Style guides provide consistent standards that everyone on the team can follow. Platforms like GitHub or GitLab simplify the code review process, offering tools to leave comments, suggest changes, and resolve issues. Testing frameworks like JUnit or PyTest ensure your code works as expected, adding an extra layer of confidence. Implementing a style guide is not just about adopting industry standards. It's about making them work for your team. Start with established guides, like those from Google or Microsoft, as a baseline. Then create team-specific rules to address unique needs. Automated linting tools can enforce these rules across the codebase, saving time and reducing errors. Regular reviews of your style guide Ensure it evolves alongside your team and stays relevant as your codebase grows. Let's take a look at an example of code before and after applying a style guide. In the initial example, the formatting is inconsistent, making the code harder to read and understand. After applying a style guide, the code becomes cleaner, with proper spacing and naming conventions that improve readability and maintainability. This demonstrates how even small adjustments can make a significant impact. What happens when disagreements arise during reviews? A clear resolution process is essential. Start by discussing the issue directly with the reviewer to understand their perspective. Provide a rationale for your decisions, explaining why you wrote the code the way you did. Seek team consensus if needed, ensuring everyone is aligned. Document any decisions made so the team can refer back to them later. If necessary, update the style guide to reflect new insights and avoid similar disagreements in the future. To wrap things up, let's revisit the key points. A strong definition of done ensures that every task meets high-quality standards. Code reviews are essential for team success, improving the quality and maintainability of your code. Automated tools reduce the burden of manual checks, making the review process more efficient. Effective communication during reviews builds stronger team dynamics. Lastly, continuous improvement through feedback is the key to long-term success. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more lessons on computer programming and technology. See you next time.